What's up guys, welcome to this quick video where today we're going to be talking about how to color balance your Samsung TV or pretty much any other smart TV right after this. Welcome back. If at the end of this video you found this tip useful, please be sure to like and subscribe for other tips and reviews. In order to calibrate your TV, you're going to need the following items: an Apple TV running iOS 14.5 or later, and an iPhone X or later generation running iOS 14.5. Okay, so on your Apple TV, you will need to go to Settings and then Video and Audio. Scroll down to Color Balance, and then a black screen will pop up. You'll then need to place your iPhone near your Apple TV, where you'll see a card pop up on your screen that will then walk you through the calibration process. It will tell you to point your phone face forward at the Apple TV and hold it an inch away from the display inside of the glowing box. Once you do that, it will detect it and run through the calibration process. It will flash a bunch of colors on the TV screen, and the camera will analyze it and determine what can be done to improve the color balance. It will then show you the original versus the balanced result. I like the balance because it gives the picture a warmer color. Let me know what you guys think below. Did you prefer the color balance version or the original? Also, if you tried this tip on your own TV, let me know whether you like the color balance version or the original on yours. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more reviews and tips. This is JC Tech and Finance, signing out.